Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your request could not be completed. This section could not be completed due to an error. So guys, if you're trying to create an Apple ID for you but you're facing this issue and you are unable to create Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device and then tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you're using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it and then scroll it below, tap on date and time and set your date and time from here, and then tap on time zone and set your time zone as well from here. So guys, do this and then tap on language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply clear the history and cache of your browser from where you are trying to create your Apple ID. So right here you have to open any browser and then tap on three dot button and go to history, and now you have to simply clear all the history of your browser, and after this try to create Apple ID again. So guys, if you still face this problem and you are unable to create Apple account, then you have to simply change your device to create your Apple account. So guys, change the device and try to create Apple ID on other device. After creating Apple ID, then you have to sign in your Apple ID on your device. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.